How to change instant transfer card on Apple Pay 2025 method. If you've ever tried to move money instantly from Apple Pay to your bank and realize the funds weren't going to the right account, you know how frustrating it can be. The good news? Apple Pay now makes it easier than ever in 2025 to update your instant transfer card, so you can access your money quickly, securely, and without any hiccups. Today, we're walking through a complete, step-by-step guide on how to change your instant transfer card on Apple Pay, plus tips to avoid the common mistakes most people get wrong. Let's start with the basics. An instant transfer card in Apple Pay is the debit card you link to transfer funds from your Apple Cash balance to your bank account immediately. Most people think once they set it up, they're stuck with it forever, but that's not true. You can change or update your instant transfer card at any time, which is especially helpful if you've gotten a new card, changed banks, or want to switch to a card that offers lower fees or better fraud protection. Here's the first step. Open your Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your Apple Pay accounts, cards, and passes are stored. Tap on your Apple Cash card. It's the one with the green background that shows your balance. Once you're on the Apple Cash card screen, look for the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and tap them. This brings up your card details, settings, and transfer options. Next, scroll down to the Transfer to Bank section. If you already have an instant transfer card linked, you'll see it listed here. Tap on it, and you'll see options to either remove the card or change it. Most people get this wrong. They try to add a new card without removing the old one, which can cause errors during the transfer. Always remove or update your existing instant transfer card rather than just adding a new one. Now tap Add Bank Account or Card. Here, Apple Pay gives you two options. Add a bank account for standard transfers or add a debit card for instant transfer. Since our goal is to change the instant transfer card, select the debit card option. You'll need to enter the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing information exactly as it appears on the card. Accuracy is key here. If the information doesn't match your bank's records, the instant transfer will fail. After entering your new card details, Apple Pay will perform a quick verification. In 2025, this typically involves a small temporary deposit of $1.00 or less into your bank account to confirm the card is valid. Some banks may use a two-step authentication process, such as a one-time code sent via SMS or email. This step is crucial to prevent fraud and ensure your money goes to the right account. Most people skip reading the verification instructions and end up stuck with a failed transfer. Don't rush this step. Follow it exactly as prompted. Once your card is verified, go back to the Apple Cash card settings. Tap Transfer to Bank again, and now select your newly added card. You can test it by transferring a small amount, like $1 or $5, to make sure everything works smoothly before transferring a larger balance. Apple Pay usually processes instant transfers within minutes, though some banks may take up to 30 minutes in 2025 due to enhanced security measures. Another tip that most users miss is ensuring your iOS is up to date. Apple has improved the transfer interface and added additional security checks in the 2025 updates, which means older iOS versions may not support the latest instant transfer features. Go to Settings, General Software Update, and make sure you're running the latest iOS version. This simple step can save you hours of frustration if your new card isn't appearing as an option. It's also important to note fees. Apple Pay charges a small 1% fee for instant transfers, capped at $10 per transaction. As of 2025, standard transfers to a bank account are free but take 1-3 business days. So, if speed matters, instant transfer is worth it, but you'll want to confirm the fee is acceptable before initiating large transfers. Most people overlook the fee structure and are surprised by the cost after multiple transfers. Now, let's cover troubleshooting. If your new card isn't showing up for instant transfers, first check that the card is a debit card. Credit cards aren't eligible for instant transfer. Next, ensure that the card is issued by a U.S. bank. Apple Pay only supports domestic debit cards for instant transfers. Finally, check your card's activation and billing info. Even one incorrect digit can prevent the card from being verified. If problems persist, contact your bank to confirm there are no restrictions on receiving instant deposits from Apple Cash. One more pro tip for users who have multiple Apple devices, such as an iPhone and iPad. Make sure the new instant transfer card is updated on all devices. Apple Pay syncs via iCloud, but sometimes changes take a few minutes to propagate. Attempting transfers on a device before the card update is complete can lead to failed transactions. Finally, a quick recap of the key steps to change your instant transfer card on Apple Pay in 2025. 1. Open the Wallet app and select your Apple Cash card. 2. Tap the three dots to access card settings. 3. Scroll to transfer to bank and remove or update your existing card. 4. Tap Add Bank Account or Card and choose the debit card option. 5. Enter the new card details accurately and verify the card. 6. Return to transfer to bank and select your new card for instant transfer. 7. Test with a small transfer to ensure everything works. 8. Keep your iOS updated and confirm all linked devices reflect the change. By following these steps carefully, you'll avoid the common mistakes that cause failed transfers or delays. Remember, most issues arise from incorrect card info, outdated software, or not verifying the card properly. Taking the time to do it right ensures you can access your Apple Cash instantly, every time. In conclusion, changing your instant transfer card on Apple Pay in 2025 is simple, fast, and secure if you follow the method correctly. Whether you've upgraded your bank account, received a new debit card, or just want to switch to a more convenient account, updating your instant transfer card ensures your money is always accessible when you need it. Most people get this wrong by skipping verification or using unsupported cards, but with this guide, you'll avoid those pitfalls and enjoy seamless, instant access to your Apple Cash funds. By mastering these steps, you're taking full control of your Apple Pay transfers, saving time, and ensuring your funds reach the right account instantly. No stress, no waiting, just fast and reliable transfers every time.